The Waqf Amendment Bill is all set to make its way to Parliament once again in the budget session as the Joint Parliamentary Committee scrutinising the bill adopted all amendments proposed by the ruling BJP-led NDA members on Monday, which is today. The JPC, however, also negated every change moved by opposition members in the same meeting. Take a look at this.
JPC की आज उस 44 संशोधन पे जो हैं उस पे एक संशोधन पे चर्चा हुई। इसके पहले हमने 6 महीने के सारे डिटेल डिस्कशंस के बाद सभी सदस्यों से हमने संशोधन मांगे थे। ये हमारी अंतिम बैठक थी कि उस 44 संशोधन पे आप इस पे सहमत हैं या इस पे असहमत हैं। तो सभी सदस्यों के द्वारा चाहे किसी पक्ष के हों उन लोगों ने अपने संशोधन दिए थे और आज उसमें जो हमारे कुछ सांसदों के द्वारा दिए गए थे उसमें 14 क्लाजेज पे या 14 संशोधनों में संशोधन स्वीकार हुआ है। वो भी संशोधन मूव करने पे वोटिंग के बाद बहुमत के आधार पर।
Viewers, in a big breaking news related to the Waqf Amendment, the opposition MPs have now released a joint statement saying that JPC chairperson has behaved in an autocratic way at the best of the centre. The opposition MPs also claimed that the chairperson rejected all of their suggestions. Now, this comes after the India Alliance and the opposition in general made a huge hue and cry after the JPC passed the Waqf Amendment with about 44 changes, most of which were floated by the BJP-led NDA government. And now the opposition has released a joint statement calling the JPC chairperson autocratic. Listen in to Owaisi.
To superimpose the Hindutva ideology on the Waqf board. So we condemn this, and the behavior of the chairman today, he has not even allowed members who have to move their amendments. If you see the parliamentary proceedings, the speaker always names a person, are you moving your amendment? Yes, sir. Then 1 minute is given by the Honourable Speaker to explain why you are moving the amendment. But here we have seen the Honourable Mr. Chairman has become not only the mover but also mover of my amendment. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. This is a joke.
Give the announcement. Rejection.
My amendment, I am not moving, he is moving. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. And then he say, okay, he's the mover and the opposer. He counted himself. So he's a mover, proposer, everything has become. So this exactly shows us what government is doing. And if you see the amendments that have been moved by the BJP and by the allies, they are obnoxious.
We're also being joined by my colleague Harsha, who will get us more insights on the story. Harsha, tell us, what do you have on the other end?
Yes, right now, to tell you that there was a joint press conference by the leaders of the opposition on the JPC Waqf, who are the members of the Waqf, and they clearly have stated that this is a very unparliamentary way in which the chairman has moved a motion, and also the head counts was done and the voting was done. I'm joined by DMK Member of Parliament M. Abdullah and also Samajwadi Party leader Mohibullah, as they have been stating that they will not let the bill pass, and also the 29th is the final day. Abdullah sir, what's the move ahead? Because we heard OSC, we heard all of you. So now what's the move ahead?
Actually, it is a black day for the democracy. Seriously, I'm telling you, today is the black day for the democracy. We have never seen such a worst parliamentary proceeding as it. He moved the amendment. He moved our amendment. He himself moved. Actually, if there is any amendment given by the member, if 10 members given the amendment, he should call each and every member. He should, Abdullah, are you moving your amendment? Then I have to say yes. Then he should give me 1 or 2 minutes to explain. Then he has to call Mohibullah ji, are you moving your amendment? Then he has to say yes or no. Instead of that, he read all 10 people's name. Hey Raja, Mohibullah, all moving amendment. Now it is for voting. Immediately he said. It is entirely, he is dancing for someone's music. So we know what is the result. We know. But I think we are planning to challenge in a court.
Challenge in court.
Yeah.
मोहिबुल्ला सर, तो क्या इस पूरे मामले को वक्फ को क्या कोर्ट में वाकई में चैलेंज किया जाएगा? अगर 29 को ड्राफ्ट प्रिपेयर हो गया और अगर 21 तारीख रिपोर्ट सौंप दी गई स्पीकर को?
नहीं, देखिए, जो भी उपाय होंगे, चाहे कोर्ट में चैलेंज करने का हो वो भी किया जाएगा, जैसे अब कर रहे हैं, पोजीशन करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। लेकिन उसके अलावा जो अवेयरनेस है पब्लिक में, बिटवीन पब्लिक अवेयरनेस कि ये लोग कौन हैं असल में, जो देश का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसको जो है वो डिमोलिश कर देना चाहते हैं।
लेकिन किरण रिजिजू तो कहते हैं कि मुसलमानों के हक और हुकूक के लिए ये है, अपोजिशन हमारा साथ नहीं दे रहा है, जबकि और भी जो दल हैं वो साथ आए हैं।
अपोजिशन के हुकूक की वो मुसलमानों के कैसे बात करते हैं? उनकी पार्टी में तो एक सिंगल मेंबर ऑफ लोकसभा भी नहीं है, लोकसभा में एक मेंबर भी नहीं है उनके, कभी वो टिकट भी नहीं देते मुसलमानों को। कैसे बात करते हैं वो? उनकी यूपी में माइनॉरिटीज़ के लिए जो फंड होते थे, मौलाना आज़ाद के फंड, अभी तक पूरे तौर पर वो फंड दूसरे लोग उसको मिसयूज़ कर रहे हैं। कैसे वो, किस माइनॉरिटीज़ के सारे जो फंड होते थे, जो उनको स्पेशल जो वो दिए गए थे कि ताकि उनके वो महरूम ना रह जाए, कि वंचित हैं वो किसी वजह से, वो सब रोक दिए गए हैं। कैसे कह रहे हैं वो माइनॉरिटीज़ के लिए?
So these are the views of the opposition leaders who did a joint press conference, and they clearly stated they are going to oppose it during the meeting and outside the meeting as well, and in the parliament if the bill comes to the table. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, thanks for joining us on the broadcast, and thank you to both our guests for also staying with us on